Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you delete a pin from your Pinterest profile. So Pinterest is a popular platform that allows us to pin the ideas that we really like, and those are saved in the form of pins. Now in this video we are going to discuss that how can you delete the pins. That means you can unsave any of the ideas that you have accidentally created or may no longer want. So for this, firstly we need to come to the official website of Pinterest, that is in.pinterest.com, which may be dependent on the area I am in or the country I'm in. Like I'm in India, so this in stands for India. For your case it might be a bit different, but come to the Pinterest homepage. To access the pins you have already saved, you need to go to your profile icon over here, and here you can see all the boards, and here are the pins that have not been assigned to a board. So suppose I want to delete this pin, so I just need to look for this pencil icon, that is the edit icon. Here I can just assign it to a particular board, or I can just assign it to a particular section. If I do not want that, if I just want to delete it, I can simply just click on delete. It asks me for a confirmation, I confirm it, and that pin would be deleted. Similarly, here I have some boards, so let's say I want to remove this board, so I click on this pencil icon again to edit it. Here there is an option to delete the board, so it gives me a warning that it would be removed, and if I want to restore it I will have 7 days to restore my board, otherwise it would be deleted permanently. I'm okay with that, so let's just click on the delete icon, and that's it for this video. That's how you can delete the pins or the boards from your Pinterest profile. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.